physics. In class 11 physics we start chapter thermal properties of matter. In previous lecture, it means in class we explain some topics, but we start thermal properties of matter from thermal expansion. It means all material, solid, liquid and gas on heating are expanded. So this type of expansion is known as thermal expansion. So expansion are three types: linear expansion, superficial expansion, cubical expansion. In linear expansion, it means thermal expansion are of three types. First is linear expansion, second is superficial expansion, third is cubical expansion. So firstly we take linear expansion. In linear expansion, it means increase in length. For example, we take one rod and if we heat the rod, then length of rod is increased. It means it is thermal expansion. And superficial expansion, in this type of expansion we take one seed. We take one seed and we heat the seed, then seed is expanded. It means this type of expansion is known as superficial expansion. It means area of the seed is increased. And in linear expansion, length of the rod is increased. But in cubical expansion, we take one block and we heat the block, then the volume of the block is increased. This type of expansion is known as cubical expansion. In linear expansion, length is increased, and in superficial expansion, area is increased, and in cubical expansion, volume is increased. Next student, coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of linear expansion, student, it means we take alpha. Alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion. So we can find the value of it means formula for alpha. So student, we take initial length. Initial length is L and final length L dash. Change in length it means L dash minus L. Change in length it means L dash minus L directly proportional to small l. L dash minus L directly proportional to del D. It means if temperature is increased, then expansion of length is increased. If more than length rod we use, then expansion is more. This is equation A and this is equation B. So we take this equation both from equation A and B. L dash minus L directly proportional to L del T. Students, L dash minus L directly proportional to L del T. It means if we use more lengthy rod, then expansion is more. If we use more temperature, it means more heat is flow, then expansion of length is more. So L dash minus L is equal to alpha del T. When we remove the sign of proportionality, then we remove the sign of proportionality, then we add one constant and the constant is alpha. Then alpha equal to L dash अल्फा इक्वल टू एल डैश माइनस एल अपॉन एल डेल टी, एल डैश माइनस एल अपॉन एल डेल टी। तो अल्फा इक्वल टू डेल एल अपॉन एल डेल टी, अल्फा इक्वल टू डेल एल अपॉन एल डेल टी। तो इफ change in length, it means coefficient of linear expansion is the ratio of change in length to original length if rise of temperature is 1 degree. Change in length to original length if rise of temperature is 1 degree. Assignment alpha students, meter upon meter, it means Kelvin, then Kelvin की power minus 1. CGS unit, CGS unit degree centigrade, it means centimeter upon centimeter, degree centigrade, it means degree centigrade की power minus 1. Student, next topic is coefficient of superficial expansion. It means initial surface area, it means S, final surface area, it means S dash, increase in surface area, S dash minus S. So student, S dash minus S is mean increase in surface area directly proportional to surface area, and S dash minus S directly proportional to del T. This is equation A and this is equation B. So we take equation A and B. It means from equation A and B, it means S dash minus S directly proportional to S del T. When we remove the sign of proportionality, then S dash minus S equal to beta S del T. We can find the formula for beta. It means coefficient of superficial expansion. It means beta equal to S dash minus S upon S del T. Student, this is change in surface area. So we take del S in the place of S dash minus S, del S upon S del T. So students, coefficient of superficial expansion equal to change in surface. It is the ratio of change in surface area to original surface area if temperature is 1. Coefficient of superficial expansion is the ratio of change in surface area to original surface area if temperature is 1 degree. Assignment beta equal to meter square upon meter square, it means Kelvin की power minus 1, and CGS unit centimeter square upon centimeter square, and degree centigrade, it means degree centigrade की power minus 1. So listen again student, we take initial surface area S, final surface area S dash, then increase in surface area S dash minus S. So S dash minus S directly proportional to S, S dash minus S directly proportional to del T. So S dash minus S directly proportional to S del T, S dash minus S equal to beta S del T. We can find the formula for beta. It means coefficient of superficial expansion S dash minus S upon S del T, it means del S upon S del T. So SI unit beta equal to Kelvin की power minus 1 and CGS unit degree centigrade की power minus 1. Student, we take next topic, coefficient of cubical expansion. It means we take gamma. Coefficient of linear expansion is means alpha. Coefficient of superficial expansion it means beta. Coefficient of cubical expansion it means gamma. So students, we take gamma. Initial volume it it means B. Final volume B dash. So change in volume, it means increase volume, increase in volume B dash minus B. B dash minus B, student, B dash minus B means increasing volume directly proportional to volume. Increasing volume directly proportional to del T. It means change in temperature. This is equation A and this is equation B. So from equation A and B, so B dash minus B directly proportional to B del T. Student, when we remove the sign of proportionality, then we have one constant and the constant is gamma. It means B dash minus B equal to gamma del T. So we can find the formula for gamma from this formula. Gamma equal to B dash minus B upon B del T. So gamma equal to del B upon B del T. Gamma, it means coefficient of cubical expansion, is the ratio of changing volume to original volume. If temperature is 1, then assignment we can find. Assignment, it means gamma equal to meter cube upon meter cube Kelvin, Kelvin की power minus 1. CGS unit, it means gamma equal to centimeter cube upon centimeter cube degree centigrade and degree centigrade की power minus 1. So student, listen again. Coefficient of cubical expansion, it means we take gamma. So we take initial volume B and the final volume is D dash. Then increase in volume, it means final volume minus initial volume, it means B dash minus B. So B dash minus B directly proportional to B. If we increase the volume, then change in volume is also increased. B dash minus B directly proportional to change in temperature. It means increase in temperature. So from equation A and B, B dash minus B directly proportional to B del T. So B dash minus B equal to gamma B del T. So student, we can find the formula for gamma from this equation. So gamma equal to B dash minus B upon B del T. So B dash minus B we take del B upon B del T. So del B, it means change in volume and B is in volume. So volume SI unit is meter cube and Kelvin is the temperature unit. So Kelvin की power minus 1 is the SI unit and centimeter cube is the CGS unit of volume. Then degree centigrade की power minus 1. Student, after that